Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder of Marketplace Valet. We help brands optimize and operate on Amazon. Since 2006, we have over 417,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to discuss all things Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how Amazon's video slots work for sellers. Let's get into it. Each Amazon product listing displays a maximum of 15 videos in the customer-facing videos section. These video slots are primarily filled with user-generated content, most commonly posted by influencers participating in the Amazon Influencer Program. Once these 15 slots are filled, Amazon does not allow customers to view additional videos on the listing. There is no expandable section or scroll feature to show more than the designated limit. This makes the top 15 video slots a limited, high-value piece of real estate on any listing. Currently, video placement appears to operate on a first-come, first-served basis. However, anecdotal evidence and behavior trends suggest that Amazon may also prioritize videos based on performance, especially those that drive conversions. In such cases, high-converting videos may rise in ranking and potentially replace underperforming ones in the visible slots. Sellers who do not proactively fill these slots with their own or affiliated content are vulnerable. Influencers can independently discover and create content for any listing. In situations where the influencer feedback is negative or where competitive brands may incentivize unfavorable content, the seller has no recourse to remove or override it once it occupies one of the 15 slots. For this reason, it is highly recommended that sellers pursue a defensive video content strategy. This involves filling all 15 video slots with positive, product-aligned videos, either produced in-house or through collaborations with selected influencers. Doing so allows brands to control the narrative and prevent competitors or unknown content creators from filling those spaces. This defensive approach parallels the strategy behind sponsored display defensive campaigns, where sellers place ads on their own product detail pages to prevent competitor ads from appearing. Just as in paid advertising, the goal is to occupy valuable space to maintain brand control and visibility. In addition to listing protection, participating in the Amazon Influencer Program can offer sellers another angle of control. By becoming a registered influencer, sellers can contribute to their own listings' video presence or even use influencer access to manage content more dynamically across listings. To summarize, there are only 15 visible video slots per Amazon product listing. Once filled, no additional videos are shown. Amazon may reorder videos based on conversion performance. Sellers are encouraged to proactively fill these slots with their own or partnered influencer content. Failure to do so could result in negative content from third parties occupying those slots. Defensive video strategies mirror the logic of sponsored display defense, prioritizing content control. This approach allows sellers to secure their listings against competitor influence and maintain consistent brand-positive messaging through all customer touchpoints. If you have any questions or need help growing your brand on Seller Central, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.